Based on the definition provided, a door-to-door home repair seller license in Maine is not needed if consumers solicit the initial contact. The requirement for this license is triggered when directly contacting consumers other than at a permanent place of business without the consumer initiating the contact. Therefore, performing home repair services is permissible without the license as long as you do not actively solicit customers by going door to door or making unsolicited phone calls. If potential customers contact you first requesting services, then the door-to-door home repair seller license is not required. This interpretation is based solely on the definition you presented. You should always consult with the Department of Professional and Financial Regulation in Maine or an attorney to ensure full compliance with all applicable laws and regulations, as interpretations and requirements can change.